Stop fumbling with your mouse and start executing trades at lightning speed with Tradingview hotkeys. First, make sure your chart is set up the way you like it, and that you have the trading panel open. You can find this on the bottom of your screen. It's essential for this to work seamlessly. Now, navigate to your Tradingview settings. You can typically find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once in the Settings menu, look for the keyboard shortcuts section. This is where the magic happens, and where you can customize your keys. Scroll down until you see the options for buy limit and sell limit. Click in the box next to each, and then press the key combination you want to use for that specific order type. For example, you might set buy limit to Control B and sell limit to Control S. Once you've assigned your hotkeys, click Apply Now on your chart. When you press Control B, you'll instantly bring up a pre-populated buy limit order panel. Similarly, pressing Control S will bring up a sell limit order. You can adjust the price and quantity directly from here before confirming. That's it. You've successfully configured hotkeys for limit orders, allowing you to react quicker to market changes and place your trades with greater precision. Happy trading!